Hello everyone. Today's in Maddie's world, we are gonna talk about Wi-Fi passwords. Basically, in today's time, everybody is looking for the security, and nobody should able to access their devices without the passwords. So today, basically, we are talking about the Wi-Fi password, which we are configuring on the routers or through which we are connecting to our devices. So how we can find the Wi-Fi password using the command prompt. So we are going to look into that. This is not a big task to find out the password. We have multiple ways to find out the password which is configured on the devices. So I will show you both the methods how you can find out the password. So let me just show you the simple method without any command line how you can find out the password on the laptop. So you can, on the bottom you can able to see all the SSIDs which are coming. So if you can able to see, currently I am connected with this one, the 192.168.1.1. This is my Wi-Fi name, so currently I am connected with that. So if I need to know the password, what is the password of this Wi-Fi, so we can simply go to run command. We can simply press Windows and R key, and you can able to see this, and you have to type ncpa.cpl. So once you type ncpa.cpl, you will go to the network and setting sharing center. So over there you have to go to network connections. So you can able to see all the network connections over there. So we have to simply go to Wi-Fi. Once you click on Wi-Fi, you have to go to the wireless properties. So in wireless property, on the first page you can able to see the SSID name, what type of connectivity it is. There are multiple other options also. In security tab you can able to see the security type. So currently, if you can able to see the security type, this is WPA2, and the encryption type is AES mechanism. So if you want to see the password, it will reflect you here, network security key. Currently you can able to see that it is not visible right now. So once you click on this show character, you can able to see the password, what is the password configured on this system. I will show you. If I click on this checkbox, it will ask me for the admin access. If it is you are not the admin access user, so it will ask you for the password, else you can able to see the password. So this is the password which I have configured right now. So this is the one way you can find the password. Another way is through command prompt, how you can find the password through command prompt. So I will show you that also. So for that, you if you simply go to the command prompt, so you won't be able to see that password via this, because this doesn't have the admin access. So if you simply type that the command which is relevant to that, it won't allow you to go to that. I will show you that also. So I will parallelly open one window with the admin access, the command prompt with admin access. So for that we have to search for command prompt. So once it came, you have to right click on that, and you have to click on run as administrator. So it will ask you to allow the access. So once you click on that, you can able to see the difference between both the command prompt which we open normally and which we are opening right now. So it is simply open from the system32 file, cmd.exe, but if you see this, it is showing you the admin command prompt. Okay, so I will show you the first command, which through which you can able to see all the profiles which are configured, or through which you have connected till now on the particular machine. So the simple command is net sh. So net sh for the network sharing, then net sh wlan, and then show profile. So it will reflect you all the profile through which you have connected on this device till now. So you can able to see, I have connected with this, I have connected with this SSID, I have connected with these two SSIDs also. So these are the SSID which can be reflect. So I'm just telling that if you run this command on this window, it won't allow you. You can able to see like net sh. Then if you type wlan, it won't allow you. It won't allow you to go to the next step. So if you can see, it won't allow me to go to next part. So we have to run this through administrator only. So from this you can able to see what are the profiles which is through which you have connected, or what are the SSIDs basically through which you have your device is getting connected till now. So if you want to disconnect the Wi-Fi from here only, you can also do that. I will show you how you can do that. Let's say you first I will show you through which you have connected. How can you check that? So same command, netsh wlan show network mode equals to bssid. So once you type this command, you can able to see through which SSID currently you are connected. You can able to see the interface name is Wi-Fi, and currently you are connected through SSID 1. You can able to see the signal strength, what is the signal strength of the device, and right now which is connected to which radio type, 802.11n, what is the channel, okay, and what are the other rates of that. So you can able to see these things here. Okay, so if you want to disconnect your laptop or the device through Wi-Fi, you can do it from here also. Like generally what we are doing, we are simply clicking on Wi-Fi symbol and click on disconnect, so it got disconnected. So if you are loving to do it by the command prompt, you can do it from here, and netsh, then wlan, and then disconnect. So once you type netsh wlan disconnect and press enter, you can able to see disconnection request was completed successfully for interface Wi-Fi. So you can able to see my Wi-Fi got disconnected right now. It is not connected right now. If you can see, it got disconnected. So it is asking me to connect now. So you can connect to the SSID also from here only. So for that also, netsh wlan, then connect. Then you have to provide the SSID name through which Wi-Fi you want to connect. So simply like my SSID is 192.168.1.1. So if I press enter, it will show me connection request was completed successfully, and you can able to see in the bottom I am able to connect to the internet also. I got the internet access, and you can able to see it is connected and secured. So this is the one method through which you can connect or disconnect your Wi-Fi, and another day to day we are using this simple method, simply go to disconnect and reconnect. So that was a pretty simple method, but if somebody loving to do it via command prompt, you can do it from here. So now we are coming to the main portion, to how to fetch the password through command prompt. So there are two simple commands for that. First we have already run through which we have checked the profiles. So I will retype that command. So that is netsh wlan show profiles. So so right now we are going to find out the password for this one, which we have already seen through GUI interface. So the command would be same, the netsh wlan show profiles. Then you have to mention the name. So if you simply mention the name like 192.168.1.1, the SSID name, and press enter, you can able to see the details of that, what are the control options, so what are the type, what is the SSID name. So you can control option, you can able to see connect automatically. These are those things which you have already seen in GUI interface. Network broadcast type, auto switchover, is it allowing or not. MAC randomization is disabled right now. So MAC randomization is, if you randomize the MAC address, it will automatically change the MAC address for each and every SSIDs. So it will like that. So in connectivity type, you can able to see what type of network type it is. You can also see the vendor extension if it is syncing with that. So you can able to see that. So now we are coming to the security settings. You can able to see all the security parameters. What is the authentication? What is the ciphertext? What is the security key for that? But if you right now, if you can able to see, the security key is showing as present. It is not reflecting the password right now. So a simple change in the same command will show you the password. I will show you the same command, but you in the last you have to type key equals to clear. So what this will do, it will clear the password mode. Right now it is showing as present, but if once you type like clear key equals to clear, you can able to see the password. I will show you the same also. So right now you can able to see the difference in key content. You can also addition, you got one parameter key content. So over here you can able to see the password which is configured. So in the beginning we have seen what is the password configured for my current Wi-Fi, and similar password you can able to trace from here also. So that's all for this today's video. I hope you like the videos. I would love to take the feedback regarding this, and if you want such videos more, kindly subscribe and share my channel as much as you can. Thank you so much. Have a great day.